Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming that your app targets the expected SDK and that the device runs Android 6, 0 or higher. Once done, in your activity check settings, can draw overlays this to see if you already have consent. If that returns false, create an intent with action manage overlay permission and URI. Parse, package, plus get package name, then call start activity for result. This takes the user directly to the system toggle, so they can enable drawover app's permission for your package. Once the settings screen closes, you must recheck the permission inside on activity result. Do not assume the user granted it. If the permission is still missing, present a concise rationale dialog explaining why overlay is needed and include a button that relaunches the action manage overlay permission intent. Make sure to use a consistent request code so you can track flows, and record a simple metric on grant versus deny to iterate on the message and improve acceptance. You finish by actually creating the overlay only after settings. Can draw overlays returns true for Android 8, 0 and above use window manager. Layout params, type application overlay, and for older releases use the legacy types with appropriate flags. Make sure to remove the view and on destroy to prevent window leaks and handle denied permission by offering reduced features. Troubleshooting tip. If the toggle seems to not persist, ask the user to reboot or check device-level battery or permission managers that may auto-revoke overlay rights.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.